welcome to another episode of Rated V, where I excite you about plant-based food through recipes, travel guides, and food reviews. And today I'm going to show you an easy lentil recipe that has Ethiopian flavors and supports the Black-owned business of Eleni'S kitchen. So let me show you how to do this. You literally only need 2 ingredients for this recipe: red lentils and one of Eleni'S kitchen sauces. I'm going to tell you more about her products in a bit. First, what you want to do is rinse the lentils. Add water as instructed on the jar. For 1 cup of lentils, you'll need 5 cups of water. Then you want to pour in the sauce of your choice. I'm using spicy here and it smells so good. Then you just want to cook at medium heat until the lentils are done. I'm leaving them for about 30 minutes as instructed on the bottle because I want this to be thick stew. So while those lentils are cooking, let me tell you about Eleni'S business. So Lentil Wot started her business, Eleni'S Kitchen, because she wanted to share the unique and delicious flavors of Ethiopian foods with people all around the world. She really commits to using natural ingredients and authentic Ethiopian flavors. So guys, you've seen me, I love cooking, but there's days where I just want something easy. And if I can just literally get a jar of sauce and add it to some lentils, yeah, that's amazing. Right now, more than ever, it's really important to be aware of how we can support our Black-owned businesses around us. And this is such an easy and delicious way to do it. In the description below, I'm gonna leave the link of where you can purchase this from her if you wanna support Eleni'S business, along with other resources of where you can sign petitions and other organizations you can donate to. All right, so now it's time for the taste test. Let's try this. I'm starting off with spicy first, because I love spicy. You guys, this with the brown rice is so comforting. Adding the parsley on top really gives it a nice touch. This is such an easy recipe. If you're liking this recipe as much as I am right now, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe and see the other recipes that I do. You can see them on the link above. The thing I love about lentil dishes is that it's packed with protein. Did you know a 4th cup of red lentils has 13 grams of protein? And they ask me where I get my protein from. So you can cook these lentils at your taste with any way you want. I found it a little tart initially, so I added a little sweetness like some coconut sugar. You can add some tomato paste too if you want. This has the base of Ethiopian flavors, which is amazing already, but adjust it to your taste too. So I've also just served myself a bit of the mild sauce as well to compare to see which one I like better. The mild is also full of flavor. You can taste a little bit more of the clove, I feel like, and obviously it's not as spicy. I obviously like the spicy better because I love spicy food. Again, this is an easy and delicious way to support your Black-owned businesses. I'll be leaving the link in the comments of where you can buy this sauce from Eleni, so why not? Well guys, I hope you really like this recipe. Let me know who you're gonna make it for in the comments. Don't forget to support your Black-owned businesses. Look in your community, look elsewhere. If you can't go out, then you can do this and just buy someone's product. Hope you guys like it. Bye.